Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Roblox gift card. To redeem or add your gift card on Roblox, first of all, simply go open up your web browser and then type in roblox.com and you will then end up in the home page of Roblox. Now go ahead and tap on continue in browser and then sign in with your Roblox username, email or phone number followed by your Roblox account's password. After you are signed into your Roblox account on a browser, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, select gift cards. You will then end up in this page where you'll need to tap on redeem card at the top right and then enter your Roblox code in the text box. Scratch off the code on the back of your Roblox gift card and enter the code in the redemption box. After you do that, click on redeem at the bottom to add the Robux or premium membership to your account. And that's it. You have successfully redeemed your Roblox gift card and you have successfully added the gift card to your account. Now you can use your Robux to buy in-game items or access premium content. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.